Start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent, who is Rahman and Rahim, and who gave us the power of speaking. Honorable chief guests, respectable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. The topic which is declared to me, that is the life of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Respectable chief guests, nearly 1400 years ago, the people were engaged in cruelty, demands, illiteracy, superstition, ignorance, and lot of social evils. Then Allah Almighty raised a prophet, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, among themselves to bring them in the light of faith. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born at Makkah in 571 AD. He belonged to a noble tribe called Quraysh. His father name was Hazrat Abdullah Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and mother name was Hazrat Amina Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not do any bad activity from his childhood since up to his whole life. Helping of poor people was a formality of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. People loved his purity. After coming of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the shape of Arabia's civilization was completely replaced with ideal conditions. The drinkers became worshippers, the vagabonds of Almighty Allah became the lovers of Almighty Allah, the enemies of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam became the loyals of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the omiters of Islam became the developers of Islam. Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha said about the life of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, his morals and characters are an embodiment of the Holy Quran. Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was revealed the Holy Quran. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam preached people to trust in Allah Almighty. His whole life was sublime exemplar precept in the midst of persecution, in the loneliness of Makkah, in the battles of Uhud and Hunain. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, complete faith and trust in Allah Almighty appears as the dominant feature in his life. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went to Taif to preach Islam. The people there threw stones at him. On this occasion of trial, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam asked the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, "O Muhammad, speak, if you so wish, I will destroy them." The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam quietly replied, "O gracious and merciful God, show them the right path, for they who do not know what are they doing, and make it known to them that I am their great well-wisher." I would like to declare that our responsibility is to pick up the instructions of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and act on the rules of Islam. At the last, I would like to end my speech with this couplet: "Ki Muhammad se wafa tune to hum tere hain, ki Muhammad se wafa tune to hum tere hain, ye jahan cheez hai kya, lauho kalam tere hai." Thank you.